वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्यारेस प्रोग्रामिंग। आज का टॉपिक क्या है? आज का टॉपिक है पैरेलल एरे। इसमें हम क्या करने वाले हैं? विल डू एन ऑपरेशन ऑन एन एरे एंड विल गेट द रिजल्ट फ्रॉम अनदर एरे। इफ द एरे इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन ईच अदर, then that is known as your parallel array. But different questions are coming on parallel array. What is the question this time? Let's see. Now it's time to check the question. The question is saying write a program to store 10 employees' name and basic salary. Two different things I need to store. That means I need two different one-dimensional array where the data will be stored interdependent or independent. That is the question arises in case of multiple arrays in a program. Display the highest paid employee's name and the salary. That means if I am storing the first employee name in the 0th position, then I am bound to store the first employee salary in the 0th position. That means it is related to your parallel array. What I need to find it out? I need to find it out the highest paid employee name. That means how to get the highest paid employee from this basic salary. But what I want to display? I want to display the name. But here the question arises that I will make the operation on an array called basic salary, but I will display the result from another array called name. How to do this? Already we have done how to find out the highest paid salary employee information. If you have not seen, just check this video to get the detailed idea regarding this particular question. Now it's time to do the program. These are the common part of our program. Import java.utl.star. After that we need to give class name. Then this indicates the body of the class. And this is the header of the main method, public static void main, where it takes string array as an parameter. And this is the body of the main method. Inside which, what is my first job? I have to create a scanner class object. So I will say scanner ss is equal to new scanner. Within parenthesis, I will say system.in. After that, I will create two different array to store the name and the salary. So data type to store the name is string. So that's why I will say string name is the array name. Square bracket indicates it's an array is equals to new. Data type is string. Size is as per the question 10. Like this, I have to create one more array to store the salary where it should be double and name must be salary. And this side it must be double. As it is data type, array name, square bracket indicates it's an array. New is an operator which is going to allocate memory. What type of memory? Double type. How many memories? 10. Array are created. After that, my job is to accept the data. Before that, I will display a message system.out.println because the data I am going to enter one line at a time. Here I will give the common message enter 10 employee name and salary. After that, I will use a for loop. Why? Because I need to accept 10 employees information. Int c is equal to 0 because array starts from 0th index position. C is less than name dot length. That means I have to move up to the end of the array. I will say C plus plus, inside which I will accept two things. So that's why curly bracket is required for more than one information. Name of which position? C position is equals to ss scanner class object dot next. It is not next, it is next line because I will accept the complete name, not the first name. After that, I will say salary of C position is equal to ss dot next double this time. Except part is over. Now, as per the question, we have to find out the highest salary from the salary array. As already I told you, in order to get a complete idea regarding how to find out the biggest value in an array, your job is to find out the information from this video. Here, clearly it has been explained how to find out the biggest element or highest value from an array. So according to this, what I'm going to do, I will say double maximum salary earned by an employee. I'm predicting it is the first employee. So that's why I'm saying salary of 0. Salary of 0 index position contains the highest salary. But I need to store the position also. In which position the employee is available. Because we know that if I found at fifth index position, the employee is getting the highest salary. Obviously, in the fifth index position of the name array, I will get the name. So that's why I need to store the position also. So this is pre-processing part. Now I need a for loop again, where I will say int c is equals to 1. Why? Because 0th position is already taken into consideration for highest paid employee. I'm predicting, I'm not sure about it. I will get the sure shot information from here in the loop. Then I will say C is less than salary dot length. That means I will move up to the end of the salary array C++. Inside this, what I need to do, I need to check. What I need to check, if the current salary will be available in salary of C is greater than earliest maximum that I was predicting. That means which one is highest salary? This one is my highest salary. What is this? This is the first index position. Like this, it will move second index position, third index position, and we will find it out whether the current salary is greater than the predicted maximum salary. If it is true, then I will update the maximum. I will say max is equal to salary of C position because this salary is the maximum one. After that, I need to store the position also. What is the position? Position is C because here salary of C index position, 0 position, 1 position, 2 position where C is an index position. And at this index position, I found the salary which is getting the highest amount. When I will come out of this loop, I will display the information. I will say system.out.print. Within double quotes, I will say highest paid employee name, where name is your array name. Which position? I found it in, yes, rightly said, POS position. And I want to display the salary. So that's why salary. Here also salary, which is the array name of POS position. Because this is the position where I got the highest paid employee salary information. Obviously, the corresponding name will be available in that particular position only. Now, it is very difficult for me to enter 10 employees information. So, I'm changing it to 5 to show you whether it is working or not. So, here I need to change the message also. I'm executing it. I'm saying Ram Panda. It will not work properly because in one live class I have shown you why this kind of error is occurring. Let's see whether the error is occurring or not, because I'm using next line and the salary I'm saying 78,000. I'm pressing enter key. I'm saying Anil. Sir, no error is coming. Hold on. Anil Sahu. We got the error now. Why we are getting this error? Can we see? It is saying input mismatch exception. So in order to avoid this, I have to use ss dot next line. If you want to know why this kind of error is coming, what exactly the reason in the examination, how we should remove these kind of errors while writing the program, then you have to attend my YouTube live class where you will get this kind of tips and tricks. Let's execute it again. I'm saying Anil Panda 78,000, Suresh Sahu 56,000, Binod Padhi getting 98,000, Hari Misra getting 45,000. One more I have to give, Rakesh Panda, suppose he is getting 70,000. Highest paid employee name is Binod Padhi, salary is 98,000. Let's check. Yes, it is. So that means we got the desired out. Now, if still you are having a little bit doubt in your mind, we can clear this with the help of dry run. Now it's time for the dry run. Here we have the name array, and this one is the corresponding salary entered by the user, and these are my index position. Why I have given the index position at the center? Because it is an parallel array. The same index position contains the name and the same index position contains the salary, but the array is different where the index position is same. It is dependent. That is why it is called parallel array. As in the program we have taken highest is equal to salary of 0. That means I am predicting this salary or the highest one initially. I am predicting. I am not sure as I said. And I'm also taking this 0th position because I said that in the 0th index position I found the employee who is getting the highest salary, and I will check it with rest of the array positions and I will find it out which one is the biggest one. If I found any other position contains the biggest value, then I will update this high value. So let's start our dry run. Here we have these variables C for the index position. Salary of C is greater than high. C indicates the current salary index position is greater than the high, which one I have predicted earlier as the highest salary. Then I will update it. But initially I have taken salary of 0, where salary of 0 contains 12,000 and C position was 0. So that's why I'm taking 0. Though 0 position is already considered as the highest paid employees information, I will start searching from the first index position. So that's why C is equals to 1. And here I will check current index position value. C is 1. So that's why salary of one position contains your 76,000 is greater than 12,000. It is true. If it is true, this one is no more correct. It has to be updated. It has to be updated with 76,000 where it is available in salary of 0. So that's why I will say high is equals to salary of C position, because at C position, this is my C position, as well as this position was wrong also, and I will update this one. So that's why it is also updated with the C value, because C is the current index position. After this, I will increase the C index position. It is 2. Salary of 2 position contains 93,000, where 93,000 is checked with the current updated high value. Now it is 76. That's why 93,000 is greater than 76,000. It is true again. So it has to be updated. So that's why high is updated to 93,000, as well as the position needs to be updated. So that's why it is 2. Whose value it is updating? C value. Mind it, C value. But because at C index position we found this one. Next, increase the C by 1. It is 3. Here the current C position is 3. Now at third index position we have 67,000. So that's why current salary is 67,000 is greater than updated highest salary. Updated highest salary is 93,000. Is it true? No, it is false. So that's why I don't need to update the high or POS. Increase the C by 1. It is 4. No index position is found at 4. That's why it is end of the array. And we got the highest employee salary. And the position is 2. So in order to display the name, we have to use name of C, which is 2 index position. Now understood why I am storing this POS with this. Thank you.